Give them your message.
You guys don't come out here, guys.
If you ain't got no license and insurance,
No license or insurance.
and if you got $10, I'll shovel for you.
$10. I'll suffer you.
All right, come on.
We deliver slime. Give me your stuff.
Grab Landon.
Give me your stuff.
Let your brother get on. Put Landon on there. Hold on.